Hey, Pumpkin Lambs, did you see our auntie, Chaka Khan, our favorite auntie baby, Chaka Khan, respond to the Billboard Top 100 Voices of All Time? Well, our auntie, Chaka Khan, was in an interview with this guy, right? And he was naming off the top 100 voices on, I think it was the Billboard 100 Best Voice of All Time. When she found out she was number 38, it sent her rocket to the moon. Like she went haywire, and I'm here for it because she's a professor in this game. That those notes, that's R&B opera, honey. She brought it to town, and look at her. She looks fabulous, baby. She has a J-Lo cane and a Beyonce outfit and a Chaka Khan hair. Now, Chaka Khan will give it to you the way you like it. She found out that, younger artists, when people like Adele was before her, and she found out Mary J. Blige was before her, and then, in a part of the interview, she said, "Oh yeah, my song, I think it was Sweet Thing." She said, "That's the song that Mary effed up." And the guy was like, "What?" And then she said, "Well, that's not something I just talk about. That's something I told her." Check it, baby. Remember when Shanae told Gina, "I don't like you," and you know that shit. You ain't got to hear it out in the street. You know that. Our auntie Chaka Khan was not buying what this man was selling. Like, as he went down the list of singers, and it got worse. When she found out Beyonce was number 8 and she tied with Stevie Wonder, I don't want to say she lost her shit, but she just said, "Who the hell made this list? Helen Keller's children, the children of Helen Keller?" Now she's doing old reading, honey. When you put your glasses at the tip of your nose, and those are old fashioned reads. She said, "Who in the hell is making this list? The children of Helen Keller?" I clutched my imaginary pearls because I didn't know. I didn't know that was going to be said. I was like, "Whoa, word, Chaka Khan." Chaka Khan is world royalty. She is a gift to the world. Her notes are bar none. Please do not give her the mic and let her sing "Through the fire, through the limit, through the wall. I just to be with you. I gladly risk it all. Through the fire, through whatever could want just to be with you. I gladly say. Now she pulled those notes where babies come from. Y'all so crazy. How in the world can you possibly say Adele, and I love Adele to smithereens, but how could you put Adele in front of Chaka Khan when Chaka Khan was Adele's professor? And I say that in all due respect, but I guarantee it. Ask her, inbox Adele and ask her if she listened to Chaka Khan over and over again to find out how in the hell she hit them notes, and she practiced. See, Chaka Khan songs, honey, I don't give a shit what you say. Most people do. Was Adele even born when she did "I Feel For You"? Let's not. Okay, icon. Chaka Khan, when she had her hair to the side and she had that tam sitting on the side of her head. Chaka Khan, let me love you, Chaka Khan. Let me love you because I feel for you. They were still trying to search for those notes because they were up in the sky. Those notes, they hit the sky like a balloon with helium, honey. The notes are gone, so don't even try and catch the notes, honey. They gone. But I'm talking about the other girls who are trying to catch the notes. But that's Chaka Khan, and don't you forget it. You say her name, Pumpkin Lamb. Say her name, and we got to keep her alive because They keep making these lists, honey, and eventually she's going to be number 82 on the list. And the devil is a lie. And we rebuke him in the name of Jesus. You have no place here. Now, we love Chaka Khan, but I would not recommend running up on her. If you saw her like at a Target or something, it's like, I believe that she keeps her taser on. I believe that she also keeps a pair of nunchucks with her at all times on her hip. That's, because she be wearing them big coats and things. That's the higher than nunchucks, honey. You don't even know we hit you, baby. She got about 3 or 4 ninja stars there. She said what she said on the interview, okay? And he said, well, what do you think about Beyonce? Everybody always wants somebody to say something about Beyonce. And Chaka Khan was like, I have no comment. She was like, because what do you want me to say? I'm Chaka Khan. All right, pumpkin lambs, comment below and tell me if you agree Chaka Khan had the right to go haywire when they made this list and put her so far up on the list. I can understand as a veteran, that's kind of like if you were doing a list for rock and roll and you put the Rolling Stones number 38. That would be offensive. That's where Chaka coming from. I get it. Shit. Don't make me use my nunchuck now. Shit.